Got to get started on some DIYs for the Renaissance Festival. Renfaire is officially in 1 week and I have a ton of DIYs to get done before then. So today my plan is to make a surprise gift for my friend's costume, a faux leather holder to hold his rogue. This should, in theory, be like a pretty relaxing craft, and I haven't done a craft in a while, so I'm excited. Do you guys know what I did with all that embroidery thread I had? No embroidery thread, but I got this regular thread that's brown. I have several pieces of this faux leather stuff. I have the rogue for reference, my tiny peen, and these eyelet maker things. I have a very loose idea of what I'm gonna do, so we're gonna run with that. Tracing a circle that's barely bigger than our rogue can. Okay, I have my circles drawn, and now I'm gonna add a rectangle to this one and a slightly shorter one to this one. Okay, time to cut. Okay, I have my pieces cut out. I cut off a little bit more of the top of the circle to make it like a more organic shape. I don't really know why, but hopefully it'll look okay. Anyway, so you know usually when you sew something, you put the right sides together and flip it back out. I want this to look more rustic, so I'm going to take my thread and I'm going to sew around the outside of this very edge. Okay, I finished it. Professional stitchers beware. It looks so bad. Look at that part. It got better over here, but this part, oof. Oof. Let's see if the rogue can will fit. Okay, it does fit in there pretty good. I think I'm gonna have to keep stitching up this side though, because it looks weird the way it pokes out. Be right back. Okay, I'm not even close to being done with this yet, but like I keep looking at it and I feel like it's missing something right here. And I remember that I had this entire thing of sew on patches, so let's see if we can find something semi-period accurate. Okay, I found some pretty good ones that I forgot I had. So it's between the butterfly, the horseshoe, or the buffalo. Probably gonna have to go with the buffalo. Mentally preparing myself to sew on this buffalo. Wait, I could glue it. I don't have to sew this, I could glue this. Okay, be right back. I'm gonna sew this patch on. Okay, I got the buffalo put on there. Now I've got to make eyelets in the bottom part and the top part. That way it can go over his belt loop. Okay, so you take this little leather punch thing that the eyelet kit comes with, and you put it where you want the hole, and you hammer it, and the bottom of it's sharp enough to cut out a hole. Now I'm going to stick in these eyelet pieces, the little back piece, and take this tool that it comes with.